Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Firstly, just go into Play Store and type in iOS Launcher in the search bar. Then install this free app from this developer. And when it's ready, open it. In order to use this launcher app, select Allow in all pop-ups and also allow only while using. When you are finished, click on Got It at the top and close your app. Then go into Devices Settings. In them, click on Apps and Notifications. Select Default Apps. And finally tap on Home App. Last but not least, click on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Select OK and then Got It. So when I do that, as you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my GT20. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!